Are you still using your hard drives or SSDs to store all your photos? Everyone has a lot of photos, including myself. The photos since I grew up, my family photos, I used Google Photos and I'm very attached to it. Until last year, they announced that they're going to charge for a fee annually or monthly. Aside from Google Photo, all cloud storage are actually pretty expensive. They're all subscription based. If you use Dropbox to save photos, that's a great experience. I've used that, but they also charge a fee monthly. Or if you use Lightroom, you're a professional photographer or you just love to process your photos and save them there, it also charges you for a fee. At the end of the day, they become a lifelong subscription because you're just never going to throw away those photos. They're going to be your memory. That's going to cost you a significant amount of money in the long term. What I've found is that I want my photos to be local, and I wouldn't have to worry about keeping those photos with some company, Google, Dropbox. It's not mine. Whenever there's a data breach or I lost my password or that company shut down, there's not a sense of security. And also, I want to be able to back them up as many copies as possible, and automatically would be best, and also periodically. After a lot of research about ideal solutions, I decided to give NAS a try. NAS is short for Network Attached Storage. It is a dedicated storage devices that connect to a network and provide file access services to multiple users and client devices so that you can retrieve data from centralized disk. The major players are Synology and QNAP. I looked into both, but QNAP has a built-in photo browsing app called QuMagie or QuMagie. QuMagie enables you to easily browse all of your photos stored on your NAS, anywhere and on any device. So that got me into buying a QNAP NAS. The company seems to be investing into QuMagie these days because they're releasing new versions pretty frequently. And they got some pretty enticing features that makes me believe I can use it as a Google Photo alternative. Similar to Google Photo, QuMagie also have a web app and mobile app. For mobile app, it has iOS and Android version. They have timeline view like any other photo app that you use. They also have a unique folder view, which shows you the photo structure that you use in your hard drive to save all these photos. Just like any other apps, you can view the photo details, you can create albums, and you can also tag people. They have their machine learning. You'll be able to search for that person by that name or see all the photos of that person. And it's very easy to upload. You can upload either via the web app or your mobile app, or you can choose to auto-upload. They have their own app that can automatically just upload. Or you can use third-party apps to upload, and there are quite a few for both iOS and Android. And if you're on a computer, you can use FTP to just drag and drop your files from your computer to that folder in your NAS. They also have pretty good user control, which will allow you to give different permission to different users so they can access different files. Each person has their own folder. They can access their own, they can upload to their own, and they can also access a shared folder. There's still some bugs here and there, but overall, I would say it's pretty useful. I also back it up in multiple ways, and I feel very secure with all my photos and files. With my NAS, I have 2 hard drives, although it had 4 slots, but we also bought 2 drives. We actually bought West Digital external hard drive and we manipulated it to be able to sit in those slots. We use RAID 1, so in the NAS, all of our photos are backed up right inside itself. We also connect our NAS with an external hard drive, so that's another copy. And we also back it up to Azure and OneDrive. So in total, there's 3 places where we back them up, so it feels very secure. That's a brief overview. I'm happy to talk more about any subjects related to NAS and this QNAP device. If you have any specific areas that you're interested in hearing me talk more about it, just leave a comment below and I'll make more videos about it. Thank you.